Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing a challenge entry that I'm getting ready to drop in the mail. Patricia over at Anchored in Crafts is hosting a birthday challenge, and she's requesting a handmade birthday card or a memory dex card. I will link her channel down below, and this is the card that I'm sending in. The supplies that I used the Create a Cricut cartridge to make the sun. I used some Lawn Fawn stitched hill dies just to make some backgrounds. I used Dossarella stamps for the Have a Sun-Shiny Birthday. And then I used a Recollections die for the clouds. So this is the handmade card that I'm going to be sending her way. I haven't written in it yet, but I will before I mail it off. And then I've also decided to send her a birthday memory dex card that I'm just going to slip inside the card. And I just used a bunch of my birthday ephemera, and I have a die that cut out the memory card, and then I just put some of my information on the back. So this is also what I'm going to be sending out to her. And then just a little extra goodie, I'm sending her these enamel dots, and it all fits in the card. I was trying to see how flat I could get it to go, and I think it'll need only 2 stamps. So that's pretty good for a challenge entry. So that's my entry. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I will link Patricia's channel down below. Patricia, I hope you have a happy birthday and you like your entry. I will talk to you guys all soon. Bye.